This is our 2025 demo Valtra N175 active. So it's 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower, and it does boost with a 50k semi-power shift gearbox. It's equipped with front linkage, one front spool, external front linkage and spool control. It's on a hydraulically suspended front axle with pivoting front mudguards. Some LED work lights all round, twin LED beacons. It's in a Valtra standard red with black rims. It's on adjustable front rims. The front tyres are Mitas 420/85 R28s. Diesel and air blue. The hydraulic oil gauge easily located by the steps. It's on a fixed flange rear axle. On adjustable rim. The rear tyre is a Mitas 520/85 R38. Cat 3 rear linkage with a manual top link. And then on the left and right hand side, rear fenders. External PTO and rear linkage control. It's on an air suspended cab. 4 rear spools, ABS, air and hydraulic brakes. Bus. It's on a Dramone pickup hitch. It's got split glass mirrors. Stowage for a toolbox. Exhaust stack is neatly hidden behind the cab pillar from the driver's view. So in the cab of the Valtra, we've got a folding passenger seat, a Grandma air suspended and heated driver's seat, electronic fridge, air conditioning, Bluetooth radio. Then on the armrest, got your gearbox controls, 1 electronic spool, 4 manual spools, all of your rear linkage settings. And it's currently done 17 hours. So if you'd like any more information or you'd like to book yourself a demo, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.